Alright guys, today is our open house, so we are gonna go out, check out some of the activities going on, see who's here, and of course, check out some of the cars. Two JZ swapped Honda Odyssey, is that what this is? Scion? Two JZ swapped Scion.
All of them. So inside.
Hit it out.
No, I'll be here already.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I know you're hitting.
Supras. Of course, what we're known for, the Skylines. There's the car we used on track yesterday. Hello. I am. I'll come find you though. Whole mix of everything else we have that is not GTRs. Type R, Ernie's drift car, R33, the R34 face, and the RV26. We got Brooks, M-SPEC, R34 GTR, so everything you could get from Mines. On the car. Watch out now. Delica. Inside we've got Motor X R34s, shower display R34, race car. Here we've got the Ken Mary. Takasaku. And a 2000 GTX. Pick up some top rank merch on our website.
Yeah, I actually was looking that up yesterday. I'm actually from New Jersey.
Oh, cool. Thanks for
yeah,
I have a white hawk. So
okay. You can use it. Yeah, we're looking at I just saw it in 2020.
Yeah, absolutely. Trying to do spots already.
I'll probably be out here again. I was out here for vacation 2 weeks ago. Now I'm out here for 3 weeks for work, so I plan on coming back out. I saw that. I was like, check it out.
All right, so we got David's car, his Z. My favorite sticker of all time. R31, 32. Pretty wild FD. Moto IQ in the house. We got Gary's R33 with his new seat. Look at that. Little Targa. Little R34. Millennium Jade R34 GTR. M-SPEC NER. And the LM wheels. R32. Saw this one yesterday at ours day. Man, that Millennium Jade though.
You did it? That I didn't give it to you last night. Yeah. I thought we were gonna have that.
Cars all over the place out here, but got a little 8.6. This guy tells me he's not coming and then he comes. Oh, I know. Careful. Okay. TJ and Dustin making a little appearance. Alright, so Dustin and TJ picked these cars up from us last year, and here they are. Return home. Do it. Looking at you separated. Oh.
750 horsepower.
Sounds like it.
Everyone, this car will be available for rent in Las Vegas starting about March of 2020.
What did you think?
That is just ridiculous, dude. Unreal. Like when you gunned it right here, you're just literally.
Now you need one, right?
Yeah. That's the next.
Oh, by the way, it's my homie Steve. Steve, Dustin, TJ.
All right.
I was trying to get an extra look.
Steve, man, nice
Nice to meet you.
Dude,
How was it?
just ridiculous.
Say bye to the Mines GTR. Oh, I know you need that one too, Dustin, don't you?
I know, the Mines GTR. All right, we are heading out. Brian, thank you for an incredible event. This was amazing.
So things have finally wound down here at the open house. Time to put some cars away. We have a lot of them, but overall a success, and pretty happy with the way things turned out today. Time to pack it in.